Hey guys, we're back again. Thought I'd do a quick video on how to use a ratchet strap. Not everybody knows, and so yeah, this will be a quick 101 tutorial. And if you have any comments or questions, put them in the comments below, and like and subscribe. Thanks. So the old ratchet strap. Got the ratchet, and you got the strap. Ratchet strap. So I'm gonna try to do this one-handed for you guys, and show you how to string one up and then how to use one. So let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna find your end here. Make sure it's not knotted. I just grabbed this one from the back of the truck. So you got your loop. Hook it onto something there, and find your end, which is over here. Grab it. Now you got, see inside there, that nice wide open hole right where my thumb is. You're gonna take that strap and string it through there. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. There. And pull her through. Easier with two hands. Just be patient here. Alright, once you get it, pull her through, and then go back over the top. See right here? And you pull it through. Now you already use your ratchet strap. Okay, that's how you string one up. So let's say we wanna pull this truck bed, tie this truck bed down. So got your loop there, hook it in there, alright, and pull your slack. This is kind of a long ratchet strap, maybe not the best one, but you pull your strap so it's semi-tight. See, it's semi-tight. Yeah, look at all the stuff in the back of the truck bed. And then, like I said, it kind of takes two hands, but then hold this loose end and then ratchet it down. Now she's tight. Alright, like you would wrap this over something, put it on your cooler. Now to release it, release with the arrow. Pull it back, open it up. Now right here there's a cam. See, I don't know if you can see this right here, this fat cam. So if I pull this all the way straight, it's going to push this ratchet, this lock, down. Or if you really get her tightened up, which I might demonstrate here, you sometimes need to use that with your hand, not under tension, because you bust your fingers. Because this, if you squeeze this lever is going to smash down your thumb. You'll learn. But if you open this all the way up, listen. Did you hear it click? Now push this open, and then I just pull. Now it's loose. There you go. There you have it. But now let's really ratchet it down. Let's really get it, really get it messed up here. Don't pull it tight. That's what happens if you don't pull it tight. See how it starts getting all bound up in there? I didn't go enough. I gotta do more. Hold on. Oh, jeez. So now she's really loose. Sit here and ratchet it for a while. Sit here and crank on it. see if we can get it jammed up. Yeah, who cares? Just jam it up so I can show you here. Oh yeah, nice and bound up. Nice and bound up. Look at that. Now if you open this up, you might not be how I showed you. Close her up. Oh yeah, she's got in there pretty good. Let's see if we can get a couple more. Yep. Not even clicking anymore. That's so bound up in there. You're like, oh shucks. Well, yeah, she's tight, but now you got this big old rat's nest in there. Well, if you release it, can't pull it loose anymore. Here's where, put your thumb in here, carefully, bring it back, start working it back. And you might need two hands, but I'm trying to do this one-handed. But if you hold this down, see how it moves? Now you just pull it. That wasn't too bad now, was it? Ratchet straps, great for tying stuff down. I like it better than the bungee straps. Good luck out there. Be safe. So, that's how to use a ratchet strap. Hopefully you found this informational. If you'd like me to do another one, put it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next video.